Hello and welcome to Karen's Creative Cards on YouTube. I am Karen Heshik and I am so happy to be participating in this Christmas in July giveaway video hop. In my description box is a complete list of the creators in this video hop and information on how to qualify for the grand prize of a $20 gift certificate from Dare to be Artsy. I am also giving away a prize package of stamps, dies, and goodies, as well as the card I create to one commenter on my video before August 1st, 2020, so be sure to stick around to see that prize and how you can qualify to maybe win it. In my humble opinion, it is never too early to start creating Christmas cards. I make them all year round and I'm never pressured at the last minute. My current favorite card layout is Slimline, which fits into number 10 envelopes, and all the cards that I'm sharing in this video are Slimline made easy with Slimline dies and other dies. All the details on all the cards I show will be on my blog and links in the description box to the blog posts and products featured. I think that adding stitching to card fronts and other features just adds great interest, and my favorite slim stitched rectangles from Pinkfresh Designs, I've used this on many of the cards that I'm going to show. So this first one has a pretty clear views acetate picture in a lantern. The stitching is all around the edge there and on the inside. So again, that adds great interest and I'm loving how that turned out. I also used these stitched dies on this card. All I did was cut out a pretty scene from some pattern paper, add it to the front of the card with a nice sentiment, and then again on the inside. I like buying colored number 10 envelopes that match the cards that I'm sending out, and so every one of these cards, when they are sent, will be sent in a pretty colored envelope. Slimline cards with dies make really cute shaker cards, and I used this slim marquee die from Whimsy Stamps to make this cute Sending Hugs shaker card, and again with a matching envelope. I used this die from Pinkfresh Studios to create this card. It looks like striped candy canes, right? Merry and bright. So I thought that would be perfect for Christmas. This is the card that I'm going to show you how to make in this video. Now I've used several of the stitched rectangle dies from Pinkfresh Studios, as well as alphabet dies from Scrappiness, a sentiment die from Bright Rosa, and a favorite swirly stencil. I learned how to make these fun overlapping letters technique in a spring card camp from online card classes. The brilliant Laura Basson showed how to overlap the die cut alphabet letters and then hold them in place with washi tape. So I am spelling out Mary, and I've cut out the letters from Scrappiness, and then I overlapped them and hold them in place with a piece of washi tape. And then I've also cut them out individually here on a piece of white cardstock. I'm using some of the masking tape from Post-it to mask off each letter, so that's a really great way to mask things off. After you have these where you want them, you take the individual letters and you line it up where you want that M to be, and then hold it down with washi tape, lift it up and move this, And then we're going to be brushing on some ink. I have my favorite blending brushes from Tailored Expressions and 3 colors from Catherine Pooler: Suede Shoes, Pixie Dust, and Something Borrowed. So we're going to start with Suede Shoes and brush the color onto the M. And then we're going to take this back and line it up again with that M, and we want them to overlap. So we're going to move this mask, and now we're working with the E, so we want to mask off the letters on either side of that. And we're going to line up with that E, and then move this. And now I'm going to use the pixie dust. And then we're going to do the first R. So mask those other ones off. I have a better mask over here. This one's starting to lose its stickiness after using it that many times. Okay, lift that up, put this back on. Move this to the first R. Now on the R's, we need to have the middle part of it. I have put a little temporary tape on the back of this. It's pretty sticky. I don't think I need any more. And we're going to put that there. And this is in the lighter blue. So you can see how that is getting done. I will complete that and be right back. So I finished the layered letters, and I'll show them to you in just a minute. I'm also adding some stenciling swirly snowflakes on both sides of the Mary. So I thought I would just show you finishing that up again with my favorite blending brushes and the Catherine Pooler ink. I like to make them darker on the outsides and then make it a little lighter around the words. So the Mary has the 3 different colors of inks, and it's overlapping. I thought that was such a neat idea that I learned in that class. I'm going to add Christmas here, which is a die from Paula Pasquale at Bright Rosa. When I got that going, it seems I have a little bit too much glue in that one area. Merry Christmas. And we are going to add this to the front of the card. Now I've cut out some pretty designer paper with those stitched rectangles, and then I'm going to add this stitched rectangle on top, and that's such a nice touch. I'm going to dot the eye and add a couple other gems. These are my favorite gems from Gina Marie Designs. Let's put one here. And here, just to draw the eye around the card. So our Merry Christmas Slimline card is complete with the fun overlapping letters and peace, love, and joy. My wishes for you any time of the year. You could win this card as well as a prize package of Christmas stamps and a die, and then some pretty pink posh clear gems. I have 3 sets of stamps, all Christmas, and a pine leaf die from Condensed Studios. You could win this just by leaving a comment here on my video. In your comment left before August 1st, 2020, you must let me know where you live. Sorry, I can't. I can mail to USA addresses only. And also tell me your favorite of the Slimline cards I showed. I will pick a winner on August 2nd and leave a comment on your comment, so be sure to check back for that. The grand prize of the whole video hop was donated by Dare to be Artsy, and that one is open to US and international commenters. Good luck in both of these chances to win. I hope you're getting some great ideas for your holiday projects as you hop along. The link to the next stop is first in my description box. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing, and thanks too for helping me share the joy of creativity.